Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you two simple ways to enable Run as Administrator for any software in Windows 11. This feature is essential when you need advanced permissions for specific applications. Let's get started. The first method is quick and easy. Locate the software or application you want to run. Right-click on it, and you'll see an option called Run as Administrator. Click on it, and the software will launch with administrative privileges. The second method allows you to set Run as Administrator permanently for a specific software. Here's how. Right-click on the software and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and then OK. And that's it! Now you know how to enable Run as Administrator for any software in Windows 11, both temporarily and permanently. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. See you in the next video.